Are you tired of the rigid 9-to-5 grind? Do you crave a way to boost your income without being chained to a strict schedule? If you're nodding along, thinking, I want extra cash but on my own terms, then you've come to the right place. The world of online work has opened up incredible opportunities for anyone with a bit of time and an internet connection. Forget what you think you know about starting a business. You don't need a hefty bank loan, a warehouse full of inventory, or a complicated business plan. Tonight, you can try flexible online side hustles that fit around your life, not the other way around. If the idea of selling stuff makes you uncomfortable, but you still want to see profits, the key is to monetize what you already have, your skills. And if you're worried about a steep learning curve or spending weeks in training, don't be. The beauty of these methods is their accessibility. You can pick something you can start in an hour, literally right after watching this video. In this guide, we're breaking down 5 zero-cost side hustles that you can launch tonight. We'll cover what they are, how to start, what to charge, and the common mistakes to avoid. So, let's dive in. First up, let's talk about freelance micro gigs. These are small, quick online jobs that businesses and entrepreneurs need done fast. Think of it as being an on-demand problem solver. There are 3 fantastic entry points here. First, writing. You don't need to be a best-selling author. Businesses need short pieces of copy all the time. Social media captions, product descriptions, short blog post introductions, or even proofreading an important email. If you have a good grasp of grammar, you can do this. Second, graphic design. Again, you don't need a fine arts degree. Using free tools like Canva, you can design simple logos, YouTube thumbnails, or a batch of social media posts for clients who lack the time or creative eye. And third, transcription. This is one of the most straightforward gigs. You simply listen to an audio or video file and type out what's being said. It's perfect for those who are detail-oriented and can type reasonably fast. So, how do you start tonight? Head over to a platform like Fiverr or Upwork. The key is to create a very specific gig. Instead of saying, I'm a writer, offer, I will write 5 engaging Instagram captions for your business. Instead of, I'm a designer, offer, I will design a professional YouTube thumbnail in 24 hours. This clarity attracts buyers. Create a simple portfolio with 2 or 3 examples of your work. For writing, just write a few sample product descriptions. For design, create a few mock social media posts in Canva. For transcription, transcribe a 1-minute clip from this video and use it as a sample. For earnings, your first few gigs might be in the $5 to $20 range. This is to build reviews and credibility. Once you have a few 5-star ratings, you can start increasing your prices. The biggest beginner mistake is setting your profile up and waiting. You need to be proactive. Use the platform's tools to find new clients and send out a few proposals for jobs you know you can nail. With platforms like Fiverr, you can get quick payouts and start seeing real money in your account within a couple of weeks. Our second zero-cost side hustle is online tutoring. If you have knowledge in a specific subject, whether it's high school math, a musical instrument, or a foreign language, you can monetize it by teaching others over video call. One of the most popular and accessible forms of this is language coaching. If you're a native or fluent speaker of a language, there are people all over the world who will pay to practice with you. You don't need to be a certified teacher. Often students are just looking for conversational practice to build their confidence. The same applies to other subjects. Maybe you aced your chemistry exams or you're a pro at using Excel. There's a market for that knowledge. To get started, you can sign up on platforms like Preply, Wisent, or italki. Your profile is your storefront. You'll need a clear, friendly photo, a short introductory video explaining who you are and what you teach, and a description of your teaching style. For your video, just use your smartphone. Prop it up against some books, make sure you have good lighting, and speak clearly and warmly for about 60 seconds. Set your availability, and you're ready to go. The earning potential here is excellent. Tutoring often commands high hourly rates, with beginners typically starting between $15 and $25 per hour. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can easily increase this to $30, $40, or even more, especially for specialized subjects. The most common mistake beginners make is not defining their niche. Instead of just being a math tutor, be a middle school algebra and geometry tutor. Instead of an English tutor, be a conversational English coach for business professionals. This specificity helps you stand out and attract the right students who are willing to pay for your expertise. Third on our list is affiliate marketing. This sounds complex, but the concept is simple. You promote other companies' products or services, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. It's like being a digital salesperson, but without ever having to handle a product or deal with customer service. The beauty of this is that you can start with an audience you already have, no matter how small. Do you have a social media account where you talk about your favorite books, tech gadgets, or fitness gear? You can become an affiliate for those products. You can share your links in your bio, in your posts, or in a blog if you have one. The key is authenticity. Only promote products you genuinely use and love. Your audience trusts your recommendation, and that trust is what leads to sales. To start tonight, pick a niche you're passionate about. Then, look for affiliate programs in that niche. The easiest place to start is the Amazon Associates program. It's free to join, and you can earn commissions on millions of products. Once you're approved, you can create unique links for any product on Amazon. Share a post about the book you're currently reading with your affiliate link, or make a short video about your favorite coffee maker and put the link in the description. It's that simple. You earn commissions from sales through your links, creating a stream of passive income. Earnings can vary wildly, from a few dollars a month to thousands. It all depends on the size and engagement of your audience. A common mistake is link spamming, just dropping links everywhere without context or value. This will annoy your followers and get you nowhere. Instead, focus on creating helpful content. Write a review, create a tutorial, or do a comparison. Provide value first, and the sales will follow. The best part? No product needed, no shipping to handle, just pure profit from your recommendations. Fourth, we have print on demand, or POD. This is for all the creative people out there who think they need to be a master artist to sell their work. You don't. With print on demand, you simply upload your art or designs to a platform. When a customer buys a product with your design on it, like a t-shirt, a mug, or a phone case, the platform prints it, ships it, and handles the customer service. Your art doesn't have to be a complex illustration. Some of the best-selling designs are simple text-based phrases, funny quotes, or inside jokes for a specific niche, like nurses, dog lovers, or programmers. You can create these designs for free using a tool like Canva. The key is to tap into trends and communities. Think about what people are passionate about and create designs that speak to them. Once your design is ready, you upload it to a pod site like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful. You set your profit margin, and that's it. You get paid when your designs sell. To start tonight, sign up for a free Redbubble account. Brainstorm 5 funny or relatable phrases for a hobby you love. Create those simple text designs in Canva, download them with a transparent background, and upload them to Redbubble. Apply them to a few products like t-shirts and stickers, write a good title and tags so people can find them, and publish. You've just launched an e-commerce store with zero upfront cost. The biggest mistake is creating generic designs. I love summer is too broad. My blood type is pumpkin spice is specific and targets a passionate audience. With no stock to manage and no risk involved, it's a perfect way to test your creative ideas. Finally, our fifth zero-cost side hustle is microtasking. This is the ultimate hustle for when you have small pockets of free time, like during your commute or while waiting in line. Microtasking involves completing tiny paid tasks that contribute to a larger project, often for AI and machine learning companies. These tasks are incredibly varied. You might be asked to identify objects in an image, transcribe a short audio clip, do simple data entry, or give your opinion on a search result. Another popular form of microtasking is user testing, where you get paid to test websites and apps and provide feedback on your experience. You'll typically record your screen and voice your thoughts as you navigate the site. Each task might only pay a few cents or a few dollars, but they are incredibly quick to complete, and the earnings add up. You can start tonight by signing up for a platform like Amazon Mechanical Turk for a wide variety of tasks, or sites like usertesting.com or TryMyUI for website testing gigs. The sign-up process is usually straightforward, though some may require a short qualification test to prove your proficiency. Once you're in, you can browse available jobs and start working immediately. While you won't get rich from microtasking, it's a reliable way to earn an extra $50 to $200 a month in your spare time. The biggest mistake is getting discouraged by low-paying tasks at the beginning. As you complete more tasks and build a good reputation on the platform, you'll unlock access to higher-paying jobs. The key is consistency. Dedicate 30 minutes each day, and you'll be surprised how quickly you can start earning today. So there you have it. 5 powerful, zero-cost side hustles you can start this evening. Freelance micro gigs, online tutoring, affiliate marketing, print on demand, and microtasking. You don't need to do all of them. Just pick one that resonates with you. Here's your challenge. Pick one and spend just 1 hour tonight setting it up. Create that Fiverr gig. Build that tutor profile. Sign up for that affiliate program. Upload that first design. Complete your first 5 micro tasks. Don't overthink it. The goal is not perfection. The goal is to start. You can refine and improve as you go. By taking that first small step, you'll see results in days. Whether it's your first client message, your first sale, or your first dollar earned. The power to change your financial future is literally at your fingertips. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. The moment is now. Go get it.